how to cancel SiriusXM subscription. Visit the SiriusXM website and log into your account. Go to the subscriptions or manage your account section. Find the subscription or radio plan you want to cancel. Click on manage or change billing info. Select the option to cancel service and confirm your cancellation. If you subscribe through a mobile device, cancel directly through your device. For iPhone, iPad, open settings, tap your name, then subscriptions. Find SiriusXM and tap cancel subscription. For Android, open the Google Play Store, tap your profile, go to payments and subscriptions, then subscriptions, find SiriusXM and select cancel subscription. Note that canceling must be done at least 24 hours before your next billing date to avoid automatic renewal. If you have trouble canceling online or through your device, call SiriusXM customer service at 1-866-635-8641 for direct assistance, and keep an eye on your email for confirmation that your subscription cancellation has been processed. Subscribe.